Today our topic is tens and it's on page number 62. This is actually a revision topic because tens we have already discussed in details. Anything that has zero in the end, any number that has zero in the end are tens, like 10, not more than 10. 100 after 100, it is not tens. Write the 10 numbers in order. Start your list with 0. Which 10 number is missing? Okay, so here is a grid that is given. We have 50, 20, 40, 80, 70, 10, 100, 30, and 90. So we have a question. Write the 10 numbers in order. Start your list with 0. List means from up to down. So write with me, boys. We are going to arrange these 10 starting with 0 till 100. And which number is missing, we will see. So 10 starts with 0. After 0, we have
1.
10.
The next.
Next is 10.
10.
Yes.
Next is 20. 20, 20, 20, 20.
Okay, next we after 10 we have 20. Turkey is right. We have number 20. Okay, what number comes after 20? You have to count in tens. 30. Then we have 40, 50. Okay, 60 is not there. If you see the grid, the number 60 is missing. So we will jump on 70 because we are going to arrange the tens according to this grid. 70, 80, and then we have 90 and 100. Okay. So this is our list. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Which 10 number is missing? Which 10 number is missing, boys? 60 is missing. 60 is missing. Okay, make a list and answer the question. Which 10 number is missing? Is like a story that someone has put a number machine in his factory. 8 is 1 more than 7. 7 is 1 less than 8. So in this factory, whatever number we are going to input, one more. Okay, first, what is the digit? If you are going to put 3 and 1 more when it goes in the machine, output comes 4. Then 3 input and 1 less means with the machine when a number goes into now 3 number digit goes in machine, we get 2. 2 is the output. Okay, number factory. To understand this topic more, I have made a presentation. Okay, we have 4, 10 more. If we put 4 in input and we are in the machine, it is going to add 10 more. What is going to be the answer? Output is going to be 14. Output is going to be 14. Okay, one more example, then we are going back to the book. 8 and 10 more. What is the meaning of 10 more? 10 more means we are going to add 10 in the 10 with the 8. So 10 plus 8 is how much, boys? 10 plus 8 is
18.
18 is the answer.
18.
18. Okay, understood? Now get back to the book. Here they have given us, put these number into each machine. What numbers come out? 10. If you are going to put input in input 10, one more, what will be the output? Who is going to answer? 10 plus
11.
one more.
Me.
How much?
11.
11.
Me.
11 is going to come out.